How to track your whatnot order. Hey everybody. If you'd like to track your whatnot order, you may follow up the step. So you may log in into whatnot as I said, and once you're there, you can head over and go to the purchases. So if you have already made your purchases, you can click on the activity icon, which is this right here in the second last option. And once you are here, you will be finding all of your specific order. So if you would like to track your whatnot order, you can look out for the purchases section. We have purchases, beats, offers, and saved. Look out for purchases in which you will be finding your whatnot order that you've done. On the order details page, you should be finding track your purchase button for the specific product for your shipping status and tracking information. Look out for that and track your whatnot order. Be aware that some of the shipping methods like USPS, first class mail may have limited tracking capabilities. So you can follow up the steps. You can look out for your progress, like which is being progressed, which has been completed, which is on refunds, cancel, tips, grading. You can look out for a specific order that you would like to track from this section right here. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to track your whatnot order. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.